Hello friends, my name is Vinith. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a bar inventory in Excel using data entry form. You can see I got an sheet ready with the first sheet I have form which is blank that I will show you how to enter here. And here in the opening balance I have this date, items and quantity, and with all the boxes. Under received I have again date, item, quantity along with the boxes. Under sales also date, items, quantity along with the boxes. Under data I have serial number, items, units, opening balance, received, sales and balance. Under serial number all the serial number, and items all the items that I have. Then under units, that is for water is 12 per case, Red Bull is 24 per case. Now you can see here Hennessy is 25 packs per bottle, 30 ml. Then for Smirnoff, no, for Bacardi white 1 liter bottle, that is 33 packs per bottle, and for port wine it is 5 glass per bottle. Here you have to enter the formulas that I will do it later. Now again under stock I have the heading Martin's Bar and Restaurant closing report. If you want you can print this file by clicking here file and print. Okay. Now here I have serial number, items, opening balance, received, sales and closing balance, and these items should be the same in the data sheet, the same order should be there in the stock sheet also. And here again I have entered this, and here I have to enter the formulas which I will be doing it later. Now let's go to the form, do the entry. So here let's type in date, then item, quantity. Now see this date, item, quantity, the same order should be there in opening balance, in received and in sales. Now let's highlight this, merge center, merge center, merge center, highlight all this, increase the size to 16. Okay, and let's align to the right by clicking here right. Now let's highlight the cell, merge center, and here I'll give a condition for formatting. Go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, go to more rules, and if the cell is blank, format it, fill it with a blue color. Click OK. Click OK. See this, it's a blue color because the cell is blank. But if I enter something, see this, it's become white. So that's it. Again, I'll give a condition here. Go to conditional formatting. Go to highlight rules. Go to more rules. Now if the cell is not blank, so if it's not blank, click on non blank. Go to format. Fill with green color. Click OK. So now the cell is blank, so it's blue color. Now something in the cell, it's become green color. Okay. Now let's increase this size to 16. Let's make it in the center. Okay. Now copy this. Right click, copy, paste, paste. Okay, delete this. The same thing here also will do. So again, conditional formatting, highlight rules, more rules. If the cell is blank, format cells with this color. Okay. Okay. Again go to conditional formatting, mandate rules, sorry, conditional formatting, highlight rules, under more rules, cell value, if no blanks, format with red color. Okay. Okay, now let's give a if condition here. If equal to, first equal to, then if, open the bracket, if this cell equal to blank comma blank comma capital P, it's open inverted comma capital P, close it, comma close, enter. So here if I type something, see this P appears. So to instead of P I want a right tick. So in order to that, keep the cursor there, go to, go here, type windings 2, click on windings 2, so it's become tick mark but black color. Now I want to make it white, so go and change this font color, click here, click white, increase the font to 16, center it. Okay, now if I delete this, see this. Okay, now let's copy this cell again, copy it here, paste, give cursor here, give enter. Okay, now you can, now let's give a heading. Address, let's type the address, Margaon, Goa. Okay, and here let's give data form. Let's merge the cell, merge center. Let's merge this now, merge center, merge the cell, merge center, increase this size. Okay, now increase this also, increase this also if you want, make it bold. Now what you do is highlight this whole cells, and give a color, click on this, give a purple color. This. Now click on this cell, give a different color to this, blue, click on this, give a different color, blue, click on this, give yellow. Now this cells, highlight this all, change the font color to white, click here, select white color. Now let's create buttons, go to insert, go to shapes, choose a button and drag it here, and now let's change this, let's type a text in here, edit text, OPENING, opening balance, let's drag this a little bigger. Okay, let's make it in the center, go to home screen, center. Okay, now let's change the color of the cell button, go to shape format, shape fill, choosing this color. Okay, now copy this, paste again, copy this and paste here also. So one for opening balance, one for received, and one for sales. So just get it in line by clicking here and dragging it here. Now let's change the name to received. RECEIVAD, received. Here let's change it to sales. Okay, now all these are same color, so let's change this color. Click on the cell, go to shape format, shape fill. Let's give this color. Okay, this one also. Click on the cell, go to shape format, shape fill. Okay, see now your form is almost ready. Now here, click your cursor here, keep your cursor here, press equal to, click on the cell, give enter, again press equal to, click on the cell, give enter, press equal to, click on the cell, give enter. So whatever you type in here will come here. Now let's run the macro for opening balance. For that let's before that let's enter these items here. So let's give a drop down list. To do that, keep the cursor here, go to data, go to data validation criteria allow, click here, click on list, click here, go here, click on this data, click here and drag this all thing and click OK. See this, now you have all the items here in a drop down menu. So now let's run the macro for opening balance. Now here let's enter the date 01/01/2023, item water. I have 10. Keep the cursor here outside. Now here see this date is not showing date, so click on the cell and go to home screen, click here on general, click on this and change the format to short date. See this, let's increase this width. Okay, now to start a macro, to run a macro, click the cursor here. After entering this data, keep the cursor here, go to view, go to macros. First let me delete all the macro. Okay, record macro, click on record macro, change the name to opening balance, I'll give OB, click OK. Now highlight this whole thing, copy this, go to opening balance, keep the cursor here, right click, paste special, click on this, click on values, click on transpose, click OK. Now see it's come here. Now right click here on this entire row, click on insert, click here, highlight this, go to home screen, click here, give boxes and fill with no fill. Now keep the cursor here outside, go to form, click on this, plus control, click this, select all, press delete, keep the cursor here, go to view, go to macros, stop recording. Once you do that, now opening balance, click on opening balance, right click, click assign macro, click opening balance, press OK. Now see this opening balance, you have only one entry. Now let's do another entry, go to form, click on date 01/01/2023, item, I have a Red Bull, I have 10 pieces left. Click on opening balance. Now let's check opening balance. See here, Red Bull 10. Now go to form and let's do for received now. Let's run a macro for received. So again, first enter the item 0101 slash 2023. What did I receive? One case. Okay, click the cursor here. Go to view. Go to macros. Record macro. Change that name to received. RECEIVED received. Click OK. Highlight this. Copy the cells. Copy this. Go to received. Right click here. Paste special. Values. Transpose. OK. Highlight this whole row. Insert. Click here. Highlight this. Go to home. Click on inboxes. Click on no fill. Click the cursor here. Go to form. Click on this. Press control. Click this. Click this. Select all cells. Press delete. Keep the cursor here. Go to view. Go to macros. Stop recording. Now let's assign this macro. Click on this. Right click. Assign macro. Received. OK. Now let's check received. Only one item. So let's go to form. Let's enter another item 01/01/2023. Okay. Red Bull. One case I bought 24. Received. Let's check received. Red Bull 24. Now let's go to form and let's run a macro for sales. Same thing. First enter the date 01/01/2023. Item water. I sold one bottle. So keep the cursor here outside. Go to view. Go to macros. Record macro. Change the name to sales as SALES sales. Click OK. Highlight this. Copy this. Go to sales. Click here. Right click. Paste special. Click on values. Transpose. OK. Right click this whole row. Insert. Click here. Select this. Go to home. Click on boxes. Click on this. No fill. Click outside. Go to form. Click on this. Press control. Click this. Select all. Press delete. Click on this. Go to view. Go to macros. Stop recording. Now let's assign the macro for this. Click on sales. Right click. Assign macro. Sales. OK. Now let's see sales. Sales only one enter. Now let's enter another item 01/01/2023. Here item Red Bull. Two Red Bull are sold. Click on sales. Now go to sales. See this. OK. Now let's hide this and let's insert some pictures here to make it more attractive. So let's keep the cursor here. Go to insert pictures. This device. Downloads. One. Here this. Let's drag this. Okay. And now let's insert a picture here. Click on here on that cell. Go to insert. Go to pictures. This device. The second picture. Insert. Okay. Now look, your form is ready now. Okay. Now let's enter some more opening balance. 01/0 01/2023 item put Bacardi. uh, I had 22 pegs left. Opening balance. Okay, let's go to opening balance. See this Bacardi 22 pegs. Now let's go here 0 1 slash 0 1 slash 2023. Let's enter Bacardi white 1 liter bottle. Okay, I have totally 35 pegs. Okay, opening balance. Now let's check opening balance. See Bacardi white 35 pegs. Okay, given form. Now let's enter one last entry slash 1 slash 23. Let's enter wine. Let's go to wine. Red port wine. I have 7 glasses. It's class 7. Opening balance. Go to see the sport wine 7 glasses. Okay, now I have received Red Bull and water. And sales I have Red Bull and water. Now let's go to data and let's enter the formula here. Under opening balance here, plus equal to SUM sum if, open the bracket, sum if, go to opening balance, because click on this B, entire thing, put a comma, go to data, click on this B, put a comma, go to opening balance, click on this quantity C, click on C, the entire thing, go to data, close this, enter. Now drag this formula right below. So mistake here, right. One second, there's a mistake here. Let's delete this. Go to SUM sum if, go to opening balance, click this whole thing, comma, go to data, click on this, comma, go to the opening balance, click on this, close the bracket, enter, and now drag the formula out below. So this. Again here same thing, for received go equal to sum if, open the bracket, go to received, select this B, entire thing, put a comma, go to data, select this B, the entire thing, comma, go to received, entire thing, close the bracket, give enter. See this. See opening balance, let's check whether it's right or not. Opening balance, water is 10, correct, and received water is 12. See, water is 12 received and opening balance 10. Now let's go to sales, equal to sum if, open the bracket, go to sales, click the entire thing, comma, data, click the entire thing, entire column, comma, go to sales, go to quantity, click on C, entire thing, close the bracket, give enter. See this, sales is 1. Now let's check, water is 1 and Red Bull is 2. Let's check sales, water is 1, Red Bull is 2, so it's right. Now for balance, put equal to, open the bracket, this plus this, close the bracket, minus this, that is opening balance plus received minus sales equal will give you the closing balance. See 10 plus 12, 22, minus 1, 21. So now drag this formula right below. So this sheet also is ready now. So now the form is ready, the opening balance is ready, the received is ready, the sales is ready, and data is ready. Now let's go to the final thing, that is the stock report. To give a breakup of all this, it's 21, so how many bottles or whatever it is. So let's go to stock report. Here let's give the formula equal to int in integer, open the bracket, go to data, click on this, divided by what is 12, so give 12, close the bracket, enter. Now here again a different formula equal to, go to data, click on opening balance, this minus, open the bracket, go to data, go to stock report, go to stock report, select this cell, that is, wait, there's a mistake here again, 1 second, plus equal to, go to data, click on this, minus, open the bracket, go to stock report, into C5, means this cell, close the bracket, there's a mistake here, okay, 1 second, that's a mistake, a problem here, equal to data, this, minus, open the bracket, into 12, close the bracket, enter. So this, so there was a mistake here, so it's the formula is this stock data, from data 2 you have to take this 10, stock you have to take this thing here, into 12. Now you have same thing here, click on this int, open the bracket, go to data, click on received, divided by 12, close the bracket, enter. Here also equal to, go to data, click on received, minus, open the bracket, go to stock, click here, into 12, close the bracket, enter. That is H5 into 12. Okay, now for sales, equal to integer, open the bracket, go to data, click on sales, divided by 12, close the bracket, enter. Now here again equal to, go to data, sales, sorry, here again I did a mistake, sorry, here equal to, go to data, go to sales, minus, open the bracket, go to stock report, go to M5, stock report M5, into 12, close the bracket, enter. And here again closing balance equal to int, open the bracket, go to data, click on balance 21, divided by 12, close the bracket, enter. And here again equal to, go to data, click on this, minus, open the bracket, go to this, click here, go up, into 12, close the bracket, enter. See this. So the opening balance is 10. Now let's check. The opening balance is 10. Received is 12. Now let's check this. Received is okay. Received is 12 means one case. Okay, one case. Sales is 1. Let's check. sales is 1, balance is 21. So 21, so stock to bills, that is one case and 9 bottles. That is correct. Now let's copy this formula below. After copying all the formulas below, you have to uh, re-enter here, because for Red Bull it is not 12, it is 24 in a case, so it is divided by 24. And for soft drinks again it is 24, so divided by 24. For Heineken it is 12, the big bottles, and for Budweiser can it is again 24 divided by 24. For Blue Label it is 25 packs in 750 ml bottle, so divided by 25. Hennessy again it's 25. Bacardi is again 25 because 750 ml. Bacardi White 1000 ml, that's 1 liter, is divided by 33. In 33 shots. Okay, then again Smirnoff changes 25 divided by 25. Blue Ribbon again 750 ml is divided by 25. Now port wine is 5 glass in a bottle, so divided by 5. So this side is problem solved. Now you have to change here. Water is 12, correct? Okay, here for Red Bull is into 24. Here for soft drinks is again 24, so we can drag this here. Okay, change this to, for Heineken bottle is 12, and now for Blue Label it is again 25. Here Hennessy 25, Bacardi 25, Bacardi 1000 ml is 33. See, so because you got Bacardi, you see opening balance is Bacardi is 1 bottle and 2 pegs. You see opening balance Bacardi when 1000 is 35, means 33 plus 2, 35, so it's correct. Now here for this is 25, again this is 25, this is 5. You had 7 glasses, so 1 bottle and 2 glass, correct. Now same thing you have to change here also, all this you have to change. 24 Red Bull, case of drinks and Budweiser, okay. 12, 25, I'll change this. Okay, now here change to 5. Now here just I'll make it 33. I'm a bit fast. Here again 24, 24 as a can, and you can change it to 12. Here change it to 25. Drag this down, change to 5. Here 33. Same thing here again 24, 4, 25, drag this whole thing, click here, divided by 5, it's min of Cardi 3. Okay, so with this Anakin is 12, 25, 5, 33, and again here 24, Anakin is 12, blue label is 25, drag this down, click here, change this to 5, and here Cardi change to 33, same thing here, 24, 12, 25, copy this here, 5, see this, I got the perfect sheet. You can check this data, see this 21, Red Bull is 32, so if you can see the closing stock 32 means 1 case and 8 cans. This, okay, so now to save this file you can go to click on this file, click on save as, go to browse, click here, click on Excel macro enabled workbook, click on this and click save. I hope you like this video of mine. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day.